I think you remember when about this climate change topic has come up, the climate change, the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has told, climate has not changed. The attitude, the lifestyle of our people has changed, and that is affecting environment. So that's why we need to correct ourselves to protect this planet and environment. So that is very precise word that is categorically said, and we have to stick to this. It is our responsibility to keep the planet safe, and as Prokul said, there are lots of opportunities in environmental science also, so people can go for that also, and it is a noble mission. Now it's need of the hour at this moment. So thanks friends for Prokul Chaudhary for sharing your valuable information about environmental engineering. Now I would like to request one of the faculty member who doesn't need any introduction for you. She's our batchmate, Associate Professor in Electrical Engineering. I would like to request Purabhi to come over stage and deliver her thoughts about the role of an ideal engineer. And Purabhi is always active in extracurricular activities. I happen to know her from school days. Used to do lots of debating and other extempore competitions type things. So I'm handing over the dice to her.
Thank you, Leela. All of you know me. I'm always lecturing. Some of you might be even bored by what I teach in class, but I hope I don't bore you that much. Well, what I wanted to say, see, bookish knowledge is not enough. We are all engineers, mostly engineers here. So I have repeated this time and again, and today I'm saying that same thing from the dais. What does we need? See, a degree is just opens doors. It's a gateway to a new life. But if you do not have a good mix of other qualities together with technical knowledge, you cannot make your way in life. You'll just be a mediocre person. And a good person should have certain characteristics. So what we need basically is a mixture or a person made of a common engineer plus a person like Dr. Bharali here. Dr. Bharali is a giant among men, and some of his attributes are worth mentioning and following. See, what we need is basically integrity in people, technical knowledge and innovation. Also, we need leadership qualities and a willingness to burn for the country, work for the people. These are certain characteristics that we should develop as good human beings. Why go outside when there's so many opportunities lying here within India itself? By 2020, why don't we make a country at par with other countries of the world who are supposedly developed countries? All of us can work for it, and you people are the future of this country. So I urge all of you students not only to learn from books, but also to develop certain qualities within you so that you can achieve. Everything is achievable. Only you need the courage. See, in this footprints here, I have mentioned certain qualities that even companies look for in students. Okay? These are the attributes in selection of new engineering employees. First and foremost, like I just said here, integrity and ethics. What is integrity? It is your moral fiber, your backbone. Without integrity, neither will you be happy with your life, nor will the country develop. I hope you take that very seriously, because integrity should be inherently existing in every person. That is what separates us from animals, basically. Then there should be transparency and accountability in everything you do. When you go and work as an engineer, you should know what you're doing. If you build a bridge which breaks down, if you build a road which crumbles, if you build a building which breaks and kills people, then are you being honest to your profession and to your country, the people you live amongst? Then you must also be disciplined. That is, planning and organization is a major part. Safety awareness, teamwork, collaboration. An engineer shapes the world, but he cannot do it himself. So he must learn to guide and learn to obey. Only when you learn to listen to other people can you learn to command them. So we have to develop these qualities amongst ourselves. So I urge all our young students here, my friends here, say I've never treated any student as something below me. I've always been very open to all the students. So I urge all of you, come forward, develop these qualities. Read, learn, develop your technical knowledge, but together with that, develop those qualities within you which will attract others, increase your personality, increase your stature among society. And please do not leave the country and go away. Work for the country. like Rotul just said so, environment is environmental knowledge and environmental engineering awareness is a must. Because if the world dies, can we live? Can we survive? Can we? So we cannot. So the earth is a mother. Not only were we born from a mother, we live in a country who is also treated as a mother. We pass out from an institution, AEC, which is also a mother, alma mater. And at the final level, the earth is also a mother. So we know the importance of a mother, so let us not forsake our country, our institution, our state, and even the world. Let us all work unitedly, develop good characteristics, learn to be good human beings together with being good engineers. Thank you.